Imagine your Shopify orders packing themselves and heading out the door. That's the power of Shopify Automatic Fulfillment. Tired of the endless cycle of picking, packing, and shipping every single order? Shopify Automatic Fulfillment is your secret weapon to reclaiming your time and maximizing efficiency for your e-commerce business. This system leverages the power of integrated apps and services to virtually eliminate manual order processing. The magic happens when a customer places an order on your Shopify store. Instead of you manually receiving that notification, the integrated app automatically grabs the order information: product details, customer address, everything needed to ship. Depending on your chosen app, this can trigger various automated actions. For some, it might immediately send production requests to print-admin services if you sell custom items. For others, it means printing shipping labels and preparing packing slips automatically. This seamless integration ensures that your orders are picked, packed, and labeled with minimal to no direct intervention from you or your team. The system then handles the actual shipping, coordinating with your chosen carriers to get those packages out the door and on their way to happy customers. The benefits are monumental: significantly reduced manual effort, fewer human errors in packing and shipping, and a dramatically improved customer experience thanks to faster, more accurate deliveries. By embracing Shopify Automatic Fulfillment, you're not just automating a process. You're investing in growth, customer loyalty, and a more scalable e-commerce future.